Hello South Haven teachers. In this video we're going to talk about how to set your default points for a category so that it automatically has extra points set up for that category. In order to get to the category screen, you'll click on Grading and then Categories, and then you can click on the pencil next to the category you want to edit. Once this screen comes up, if you click on Assignment Defaults, this will bring up a screen which will allow you to set the default number of points for that category. So what we'll do is, if we want extra points, we have to set this to points first. We can put in the number of points that we usually have for that type of an assignment, that category. Then we can add our extra points. Make sure we set our publish setting. And then we can click Save down here, and that will save the defaults for that category. This is only going to change the defaults for that category that you clicked on, but you can go ahead and click on the pencil next to the other categories if you'd like to change those as well. Hope this video helps.